Rubber plant is also known as Ficus elastica, and they are not only easy to grow but also require very minimal care, and perhaps one of the most well-known plants grown across globe. Not to mention, they are pretty tough plants and can tolerate to drought conditions, which make it a great plant for the people who don't have much time to care for their plants and to those who are starting gardening for the first time. Benefits of a rubber plant includes they are easy to grow and care plant, are drought tolerant and can withstand occasional watering for a longer period of time, possesses an amazing quality of purifying air from toxic pollutants that is found indoor, is a low maintenance plant and you don't have to spend much on their care, easily adapts to any indoor conditions and will thrive to its best, is an ornamental plant, ideal for workspaces, office areas and even for homes. Common name includes Ficus elastica, Indian rubber bush, Indian rubber tree, rubber plant. Pot selection. Always choose a pot with good drainage holes that allows excess water to drain out freely. Stagnant water can lead to root rot and can damage the plant. Soil selection. It is always recommended to use well-drained, nutritious soil to pot your plants. It helps plants to grow healthier. Watering needs. Rubber plants are a good tolerant to drought conditions. Watering them occasionally will be perfectly fine with them. Remember not to overwater the plant. Light requirement. The rubber plant can easily adapt to any indoor light condition. However, loves to receive medium to bright indirect light. Fertilizer. They don't like getting heavily fed. Fertilize them with a balanced fertilizer once every 3 months in small amount and they will enjoy it. Word of caution. Rubber plants are not safe for pets and people. They produce a milky white latex that can cause eye irritation, stomach pain and itchy skin when touched or swallowed. Do you know, Ficus elastica leaves produce a milky white latex that was used to make rubber, and that's how it got its famous name, rubber plant. Rubber plant is one among those plants that you will never regret to have at homes. Happy planting!